In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wise doesn't send text code. If you're trying to log into Wise and the text verification code never arrives, don't worry. A simple workaround is to use another sign-in method directly from the login screen. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can access your account without waiting on an SMS that may not come through. Start by going to the Wise login page. Once you're there, begin the sign-in process as usual until you reach the point where Wise is expecting to send or verify a text code. If the code hasn't arrived, or if you've already waited and nothing is happening, stay on this screen and look for the alternate sign-in options. On that page, click on Try Another Way. This option is important because it lets you switch away from SMS verification and use a different method to confirm that it's really you. If text messages are delayed due to carrier issues, network problems, or temporary delivery failures, this is usually the fastest way to continue. After clicking Try Another Way, you'll see additional verification choices. From here, click on Send Push on Phone. This tells Wise to send a push notification to the phone linked to your account instead of relying on a text message. In many cases, this works better because it uses the Wise app or your phone's internet connection rather than standard SMS delivery. Once you select Send Push on Phone, check your mobile device right away. Make sure your phone is nearby, turned on, and connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you don't see the push notification immediately, unlock your phone and open the Wise app manually, since sometimes the approval request appears inside the app, even if the notification itself doesn't pop up on your screen. From there, follow the prompt on your phone to approve the login attempt. After you confirm it, you should be able to continue signing in on your computer or browser without needing the text code at all. If this method doesn't appear for you, it may mean the push option hasn't been set up on your account yet. But if it is available, it's one of the easiest ways to get around missing text codes and regain access quickly. That's all you need to do. Go to the Wise login page, choose Try Another Way, and then select Send Push on Phone. This is a simple and effective fix when Wise isn't sending your text code.